My hands are already freezing.
Red roses too, I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see stars.
There's actual waves this morning.
Clouds of white and the bright blessed days and dark sacred nights, and I think to myself, what
Do this.
the colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the skies.
Okay, now that I have your attention, whilst you watch me freeze my butt off in Pevensey Bay, let me introduce myself. My name is grahamcullisart, mental health ambassador, artist, musician,
How do you do?
vlogger and adventurer.
They're really saying I love you. 'Cause why?
Quick backstory. I suffered ill mental health back in 2020, but I changed my life for the better through the discovery of art therapy and alternative therapies.
Fools rushing.
And now I want to give back to others and around the world. I need your help to do this. There are two ways you can do this for me. Follow all my channels on grahamcullisart, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Share my content. Sharing my content is extremely powerful in getting this message of mental health awareness out around the world. Go to patreon.com/grahamcullisart, read about my Karma Card project and join the team. Feel free to send me a message at any time. I will be more than happy to have a chat with you. In a nutshell, the Karma Card project is a way of spreading positivity and love around the world. Go to patreon.com/grahamcullisart. Please join my team today. Thank you very much for your time. You are all legends. Let's do this.